Hi students, does anybody really know what time it is? That classic Chicago song was on their first album, and their albums were all double albums. The first three were all double albums with that, that very recognizable Chicago logo. Now, the first two chords on the left make up the intro, and when you hear it, so it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now you could do that strum, which is exactly how the song sounds, or just straight strums. And then you have the rest of the intro, which is the D, E minor 7th, F6, back to E minor 7th. And let's look at the chart. So we have this this intro. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now, the G and the F we know, the B flat major 9th and the E flat minor 7th. Now, these two are difficult chords. Now, the B flat is a 4-finger chord, and it's, so it starts off with a G. As I was, then F, walking down the street one day. So you're playing an F immediately before the B flat major 9th, and so you're playing as I was. Here's the F. Keep the first finger and pivot the other. You had this. Move these two fingers. Here was the F. Now just move these two fingers in and add the pinky for the B flat major 9th. And the next chord is a bar chord, a true bar chord. You're covering all the strings on the 3rd fret, and your pinky is playing the 1st string on the 5th fret. So all together you have, as I was walking down the street one day. Again. Now pivot. Then you play the B flat major 7th, which is without the pinky. But you play the bar chord. Let's look at it. Yes. So here we go from verse 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I was walking down the street one day, a man came up to me and asked me what the time was. That was on my watch. And then we go to the G minor 7th, the partial bar, and then the C minor 7th, major 7th, which is that something chord. So then from there we have, does anybody really know what time it is? Does anybody really care? If so, I can't imagine why. We've all got time enough to cry. And then, again to the intro. And I was walking down the street one day, and we have again the B flat major seventh. That's without the pinky. This chord right here, and then the E flat major seventh. So you have a couple of chords to a woodshed. This one and this one. We've been practicing getting these fingers, the muscles in this finger, strong by doing the. So hopefully that's starting to pay off. And it's such a cool song. Have fun, ladies and gentlemen.